Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about Sunstar Exam Scanner all-in-one BE first and second semester chemistry book. This book contains of the following chapters which are there in the engineering second semester first semester VTU syllabus. Advanced calculus and numerical methods, engineering chemistry, C programming for problem solving, basic electronics, elements of mechanical engineering. So this is the side view, the back side. I got this for this much. Okay. First question is, why is it important? As most of you would have known, V2 gives direct questions from previous papers, and since this book contains of V2 model question paper and question papers, even some additional questions and short notes, it is very important book from V2 basis. This makes passing and even scoring very easy. So let's take a detailed look at it. Before every subject, this details were given about every module. So this is very good. Some last minute revision is also there, so you can take into consideration before going to exam. So in this video I'm going to talk about why is this book important, as how I told you, where to get this book, advantages, drawbacks, conclusion and suggestions. So as you can see, I have tick marked some formulas. Formulas are given very good, and this is very good for like before exam we're going to revise. It important model question paper, as you can see, some model 1, 2 questions are given, 3 in each, so you can solve them. Good for practice, but I'll recommend it that you also practice the book which I had published before of Dr. KSC. Next basic question will come, where to get this book. It's okay, I told you about the advantages, means why you need to get this book, but where to get it? You can get in Sapna online, or you can go to Sunstar office if you are there in Bangalore. Else you can go for Amazon also. You will get this book. However, it depends if the stock is come or not, mostly. So this is the previous June July 2019 paper. You must keep solving all these question papers to get a good overview of the subject. Maths is a subject of practice, and hence you must do it well. All concepts are again good over here. Now let's go to other question paper. Chemistry, model 1. Most of the question which repeat in model question paper, V2 model question paper and the previous papers are very important, so you can tick mark them, shortlist them, and you can study that thoroughly. This will increase the chances of scoring, and you will pass very easily with these techniques. Now let's talk about the advantage now. So what is the main benefit? As I've told you, VTU gives most of the question paper questions from previous papers, and hence it becomes very important to analyze these papers. Also, if you practice them, you'll get more confidence. Nextly, this book is sufficient for all the 4 chapters, all the 5 subjects, and as a result this is a good handbook, you can refer it. For example, the professor, if he has given some assignment, you can look into this book and you can complete it. That much reliant is this book. This is previous paper. I have studied it well and underlined it. This is chemistry which I was talking about. Let's talk about some drawbacks of this book. Before that, I'll show you about some few more papers. Details are good, but I'd say some errors are there in this. For example, in programming, if you see something wrong, syntax is wrong, else integer means the variables and all names have been changed, which you can't do it inside the compiler, and so it becomes very error. Computer is the subject in which you have to be very specific with your words. What words you use, that only you have to produce it again. You should not invent words in the middle and expect the compiler not to complain. If you know programming, then you know what am I talking about. Very good. If you don't know, then it's okay. But some problems are there in this book related to printing, and as I told you before also, this book you can depend, but you need to know the basics as well. If you know the basics, then only you can practice book. Directly jumping into papers will get you till passing mark, but afterwards it will be little problem. So basics, if you attend the professor's class, read these notes, and optional if you have some reference book like KSC or other books, then it's going to be beneficial for you. Understand the concepts, and then practicing previous paper becomes very efficient. This is about 2018-19 paper. They are giving diagram wherever possible, and this is one good. Next, one more thing is that sometimes reading these papers, you might think that the answers to these are not sufficiently answered. Means like 6 or 8 marks question is there, and you'll get only half a page, or maybe even less than that. There is one drawback. Means if you haven't studied the basic theory, then you are going to mug up that same answer, and then you're going to produce in the paper, and maybe you'll be shocked that you're not getting the complete marks. So this is few drawbacks of this book. Next, I'll talk about the suggestions that comes to conclusion. So overall, this book is very good. If you'll see it, you study the basics, and if you study the professor's notes and attendance classes, then you can go for this book. Practicing these question papers will always be beneficial for you. If you have studied 10th and 12th, then there's one saying people say that if you don't practice PSA papers in 10th and 12th, then you're not passing the exam. It might not be passing the exam, but you're not getting about 70-80%. I practice, when I remember I was in 10th, I used to practice some 5-6 question papers before the exam, and because of that I got over 90%. And it is very beneficial in this way that, as I said, assignments you can directly copy from here and you can write it in the notebook, submit it to the professor. And if you want to take some notes also, incomplete notes while teacher was telling you, you missed out something, then you can rely on this book. As suggestions, as I told you, the book sometimes it is not complete. Few answers you might not get fully. For example, this 7 marks, you got this one. Other times 7 marks will not even get that much also. For example, this 7 marks you got only this length. Numericals, formulas I'm giving good, but sometimes some calculation mistake is there. So I suggest Sunstar publication to get into the matter, and especially for C programming, where you need to be very specific with every details, I suggest Sunstar to take key notice on C programming and various other programming language, so that the students who are referring this book will be very beneficial in reading and understanding them. The language in this book is simple to understand, and no high-tech language has been written over here, and you can rely on this book extensively, provided if you know the basics. That is what I am going to conclude in this. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please share with the friends so they can also get the benefit, and please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you'll keep following me and provide water support to me. Thank you.